An AP and a GP have the same first term, which is P. The ninth term for the AP is 3P, and the common difference and the common ratio are both 0.5. It is found that 20 times the sum of the fifth term of the GP is the same as the nth term of the AP. Find the value of n. So what we've got to do is find the which term of the AP is the same as 20 times the sum of the fifth term of the GP. Okay, for an AP, any term un is a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So u9, using this, is equal to the first term, which is p, plus the ninth term, so it's 9, n is 9, minus 1, times the common difference, which is 0.5. Now the ninth term is actually 3p, so 3p is equal to p plus 8 times 0.5, which is 4. 2p is equal to 4, and therefore p is equal to 2. Right, the sum of a GP, Sn, is the first term times 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r, where r is the common ratio. So 20, the sum of the first 5 terms for the GP, is equal to a particular term of the AP, and we've got to find the number term that it is. So we've got to form an equation, which is a technique. So using this, we've got 20 times the first term, which is p, which is 2, times 1 minus the common ratio, which is 0.5 to the power of 5, divided by 1 minus 0.5. And that's going to be equal to the first term, which is p, plus n, which we've got to find, minus 1 times the common ratio. So we've got to solve this equation. Writing it out again. Right, 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5, and then 2 times 20 is 40. 40 divided by 0.5 is 80. And then we're going to have 80 times 1 minus 0.5 to the n, and we're going to have is 2, and I'm multiplying this out, n times 0.5, which is 0.5n, minus 1 times 0.5, which is 0.5. We've got to make n the subject so we can solve it. Okay, 2 minus 0.5 is 1.5, so we've got 1.5 plus 0.5n. Subtracting 1.5 from both sides, we've got 80, 1 minus 0.5 to the power of 5 minus 1.5 is equal to 0.5n. Dividing by 0.5, we now got 80 minus 0.5 to the power of 5 minus 1.5 over 0.5. Using a calculator, that's going to give you that n is 152. Therefore, the number of terms of the AP is going to be the 152. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use a combined question using both the AP and the GP. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.